everybody, it's Jeremy with Echo Orange. So today we would like to bring you our FAQs. Without further ado, let's go ahead and get started. Alright, question number 2. Is Echo Orange safe to use around children? Absolutely. Echo Orange contains no toxins, no solvents, no bleach, no acids, no ammonias, and no unnatural chemicals. It doesn't off-gas or leave dangerous odor in the air, nor does it leave any harmful residue or film. Echo Orange is a proprietary formula containing orange oil, plant-derived extracts, and surfactants, which is a fancy name for soap. Hey guys, well, that's the end of the video. Thanks for watching. We really hope that you enjoyed it and it was informative for you. If you like the video, give us a thumbs up. Please subscribe below. And don't forget to leave us your email address on the website so that we can send you updates for current products, tips, tricks, new upcoming products. You'll be part of our VIP club. You'll get the first information of any of our new products coming out. You'll be awarded exclusive offers. And if you didn't like the video, give us a thumbs down, but please comment below and let us know what we did wrong or what you didn't like so that we can improve for our next videos. So, happy cleaning and take care. Thanks.